You invest in equipment that will not hinder your success but foster it. This includes choosing the right climbing harness, climbing rope, and climbing shoes. There are many types of products, from which it is very difficult for you to get a good quality climbing shoe. So to help you make a decision, I have done a lot of research, read a lot of reviews, and then came to a conclusion which climbing shoe is the best. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So watch the video without wasting any time. Number 1. TenaMasai Unisex Rock Climbing Shoe. The Unisex Masai model that Tena created is a reliable option that falls in the middle of the climbing shoe spectrum. When wearing these shoes, rock climbing can become a less difficult activity. Micro edges and fragile stains don't sound as threatening now. These sneakers' little stretch and snug fit are made possible by the cotton-treated microfiber top lining. The Vibram XS outsole is what gave the shoe its exceptional grip and toughness. With the toe box designed like a boot, you can pinpoint the power of your foot into a specific spot. They are the perfect choice for climbers who are put off by the numerous quirky and edgy climbing shoes because they appear to be everyday shoes. Number 2. Scarpa Instinct Rock Climbing Shoe. Recently, a model that is adaptable and made for both sport climbing and bouldering acquired popularity in the climbing community. Additionally, it is not surprising because the shoes can be easily identified on the market because to their stretchy yet rigid feel, which enables them to fit comfortably on the feet. The asymmetrical last and curved design, which contribute to the high degree of performance, make this even easier. The hook and loop feature gives you a precise control during your climbing escapades, so feel free to construct the routes that have been on your thoughts for months. You can get assistance from this instinct versus with this challenging task. Number 3. Budora Men's Endeavor Rock Climbing Shoe. Is money tight for you? Then take a good look at this Budora Endeavor model. It gives excellent quality for a portion of what those expensive climbing shoes cost. The materials and design the company used to produce this sneaker are amazing, and the Korean brand has swiftly gained the acclaim it deserved. These shoes, which have 3D injection midsoles, offer the accuracy and edge needed for all-around use. The climber's snug fit is provided by the zigzag Velcro straps, and the leather footbed guarantees a soft and comfortable fit. The tongue of the shoes is made of memory foam fabric, which further improves foot support during challenging climbs. The key to the cookie is that this model is environmentally friendly, so in that sense, these shoes are ideal in every way. Number 4. La Sportiva Genius Rock Climbing Shoe. These La Sportiva sneakers are self-explanatory based on their name. Genius combines the greatest features that climbing shoes have to offer and goes even further by adding a no-edge technology that provides the highest level of performance. It has the capacity to edge while offering superior sensitivity and support. Climbers may benefit from the greatest climbing scenarios possible thanks to this model's excellent performance on granite and rock surfaces, given that every foot size and width is precisely accommodated by the lace-up closure. You will undoubtedly discover the right fit. Number 5. Soleil Free Range Climbing Shoe. When wearing these vibrant green free-range climbing shoes at the gym, you will stand out without a doubt. They feature a unique appearance that is complemented by the cushioned tongue and simple Velcro straps. The combination of the enhanced heel tension and rubber toe box provides the best grip possible, inspiring you to achieve greater heights. These shoes, which are made for experienced climbers, have thin, rigid fishhook midsoles. You then have the accuracy required for climbing or crag climbing in a gym setting thanks to this. Considering that the black rubberized material was originally developed for Navy SEALs, there is little question that these minor touches will help you quickly reach your climbing goals.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful.